In the meantime, after accepting Paneerselvam's resignation, Tamil Nadu's governor has now reached Delhi to meet Home Minister Rajnath Singh. Aditi, who's been tracking this, gets us more details.
Well, the Tamil Nadu Governor Vidyasagar Rao is in the national capital. As per protocol, he is expected to meet the Home Minister, but we can see that particular meeting getting delayed till later in the evening as the Home Minister is not presently in the national capital. But yes, he has to inform the Government of India of the recent political developments. Remember that just now, and as Shabir also broke it times now, that how the Tamil Nadu Governor has now accepted the resignation of OPS and the entire Council of Ministers and has asked him to stay back till further arrangements are made. As far as the Government of India is concerned, their stand is absolutely clear, Preeti, that they currently are just mere spectators in this entire internal political drama that is taking place in Tamil Nadu. But yes, they do feel that this has caused a major political instability in the state of Tamil Nadu, especially after Jayalalitha's death. We saw the manner in which immediately after Jaya's death, the OPS was elevated as the next chief minister. Then consecutive meetings took place where Shashikala Natarajan was made the general secretary of the AIDMK, and then on Sunday, unanimous decision was taken that apart from being the general secretary of the party, she will also hold charge as the chief minister of the state of Tamil Nadu. And then immediately after that, O. Paneerselvam tendering his resignation to the Tamil Nadu government, and to the latest being that the governor accepting his particular resignation. So the BJP making it very clear that even though they have no alliance with the AIDMK in the state of Tamil Nadu, but yes, Tamil Nadu has also been an extremely crucial state as far as the working with the central leadership is concerned. Remember that Jayalalitha had stood up against the government's various policy, including the GST, and it was a hard time for the central leadership also to reach out to the then chief minister of Tamil Nadu, Jayalalitha. So they are feeling that it has caused a major political instability not only in the Tamil Nadu government but also within the AIDMK. But yes, they do feel that it is an internal matter of the AIDMK, and they are waiting to see what really will be the future of politics of Tamil Nadu.
You can watch live TV on our website mpnow.in. Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/magicbricksnow. And don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at magicbricksnow. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/magicbricksnow.